Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in a different setup. I'm in my living room. I've got one of my couches behind me, but I'm a little late on filming my BOXYCHARM video this month, but I still wanted to film it and I've been using some of the products, so I thought that I would kind of give you like my mini review on them as well. So we'll just go ahead and get started. This month I got 2 boxes. And I'm filming this on my phone, so sorry if the layout's a little funny. But I got BOXYCHARM, like the regular box. And then I also got BOXYCHARM Premium this month as well. And so we will start out with the regular box. Little card that came with it. The theme was breaking the ice since it's the first month of the year. It's January. Y'all, sorry I look rough today, but it'll just work. Anyway, so yeah, the first thing I got in this month's box was the Skin and Co Face Glammage. And it's like an exfoliating face wash. I'll put it on my hand so you can see. I hope you can see that. You can see like the little beads in it. And those are just like little exfoliating beads. They're kind of like a sand consistency, and the face wash is actually like a hydrating-ish face wash. I will say this is not my favorite face wash that I've ever gotten. I will probably end up passing it on to somebody else. It's just not a good enough exfoliator for me to use it as an exfoliating face wash, and it's not a good enough like cleanser for me to use every day either. It just doesn't personally work for me. So for me, this is just a no-go, but this retails for $28. Okay, and so the next item in my box, I don't even have it here, but I got the Pretty Vulgar Concealer. I tried to grab everything, and back a couple of months ago, I got like a little sample packet of different colors of the concealer, and then you were supposed to go in and fill out a quiz so you could get the concealer that was your shade, and I got like a medium shade. I'll try to put like the actual shade name somewhere, and I actually really like that concealer. I tend to mix it because it's a little dark for the complexion that I am right now. It's more of like my skin tone, and I like to highlight a little bit, so if I'm tan in the summer then it would work, but right now it's just a little too dark. So I've been mixing it in with some different concealers, and I really do like it. I think it's really good. And that retails for $25. Okay, and then the next thing I got in my box was this Ace Beauté palette. The packaging is very, very pretty. I can't speak. It's the end of the day. It's the first day of the week that we're back at school. It's Tuesday, so like extremely tired, but this is the actual palette, and then you flip it open, and on the inside you have a mirror, you can see, and then these are the shades inside as well. Just a very warm berry pink palette. There was another one, and I was kind of hoping I'd get the other one because it had some blues and greens, just something different for me. This is a very pretty palette. I have found that with the Ace Beauté shadows, they are very pigmented. The foils tend to like self-seal, and so they are hard to work with, some of the metallic and foil shades, and then the mattes are harder to blend, so it's not my personal favorite formula. I will probably end up passing this on just so that somebody else can get use out of it, because I know that if I put it in my collection, it's just going to sit there. So after that, that retails for $35. Okay. And then the next thing that I got was this Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask. And this retails for $22. I think this is like the mini size of it technically. But it comes in like a little glass compartment. I'll open it up so you can see. I have not used this one, but I did have it from Sephora previously, and I like it. It smells like watermelon, and it's just like a jelly consistency. And you're supposed to be able to put it on like a moisturizer or something at night and then sleep in it. I personally did not find that it was like extremely hydrating or anything like that. It's a good gel consistency, and I actually like to use this when I use like my light therapy, my Skin Buddy, because of the consistency of it, that my Skin Buddy glides on a lot easier, and so I like it for that. But it's not like an incredible mask that I would just go out and buy. I will say that I don't think there is added fragrance in here, so I think that's a bonus. But look up some skincare reviews if you want to know more about it. It's good, it's just not the best. But I do like Glow Recipe, and we're getting more of it throughout the year as well, they have said. Okay, and then the last thing in this box that I got was this Queen Studio liquid lipstick, and it's a matte liquid lip stain. And the shade that I got is actually, sorry, I was trying to look at my card to see all the information about it. It retails for $17, and it's a pretty nude shade. I will probably end up putting this in a giveaway just because I have so many lipsticks. It's insane, and lip products expire, and so I hate for me to open it up and use it one time and then not use it ever again. So I will put this away either for a giveaway or pass it on to somebody as well. But the total of my box, my regular size box for this month was $127. Overall, I don't know that this particular box was worth it to me. I think my premium box was more worth it, and you'll see why here in a minute. But I did like it, I did enjoy it, and I do love BOXYCHARM, so I can't, I mean, you pay $25 and I got $127 in value. So can I really complain? Probably not. But anyway, now to get on to premium, because that was the winner for me this month. So this is the premium card. It's a little bit bigger, as you can see, compared, because the box is bigger and you get more things. So we will just hop into this. The first thing that I got in here was the Tula Keep It Clear Acne Foaming Cleanser. And this is what it looks like outside. I have actually been using this, and it pumps out like a foam, like a foaming soap. And I actually really, really like this. I hate that I just wasted some of it because I really enjoy this. It smells a lot like tea tree oil, but that's because it's one of the top ingredients in there. And tea tree oil is really good at helping you clear up your skin. It's a natural ingredient that soothes the skin, but dries out acne as well. But I really, really like this. I was excited to get it. I've heard great things about Tula, and so I was excited to try it, and I really do like it. Like, it's become one of my everyday products. I use it at night after I wash off my makeup. So the next thing I got, this Tula retails for $34, but it was just on the Ulta skin thing that they were doing, and it was half off. So I mean, that's probably why we got it in a box, if we're gonna be honest. Okay, the next thing I got was the Too Faced Palm Springs eyeshadow palette. This is the box. It's super cute. And then when you take it out of the box, this is what the palette looks like. And I will show you the inside, and that is it. I actually really like this. It's neutral enough for me, and it's got a few shimmers and a few different pops, and the blue is pretty. I like Too Faced eyeshadows, particularly in these, like this shape. My favorite that I've gotten is I'm knocking stuff over with my feet. The Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes is incredible, and it's in a similar compact to this, so that's why I like this formula. I do think it's better than their like chocolate bar palettes. So I was really excited to get this. I really do like it. I've used it a few times. And it's not on what I have on my eyes today, but I do like it. And that retails for $45. Okay. And then the next thing I got was the Farsali Liquid Glass. And this is meant to use, is like, it says it's like a serum and a primer or something like that. I use it as more of a primer instead of like a serum for my skin. But it's just like a liquid that has a slight iridescence, and I put this on before I put on like a more pore filling primer, and it just goes with that trend of like glassy skin. So it gives you like luminous skin, but it's not like shimmery or shiny. It just kind of glows from within. So I really do like it. I have a few other that are similar to this, few other primers, but I like this, and I got it in a box, and it retails for $54. So can't complain there. And then the next thing I got was the Kat Von D Lolita eyeshadow and blush, is what this originally was marketed as, but this particular compact just says eyeshadow. I bought this when it came out at Sephora and tried to use it as a blush because I was like, oh, like it's my blush shade. This is what I love. Like, so excited to use it as a blush. Horrible blush formula. Awful. And so when they put it in the box, I was like, oh, I got that. But then it just said eyeshadow. I tried it as an eyeshadow and it's much better. I do like it. Y'all know I'm not a fan of Kat Von D, but they have officially made news. If you want some tea in the makeup community, Kat Von D sold all of her shares of Kat Von D Cosmetics, and now it's only owned by Kendo, which is like the parent company, which also owns Fenty and some other brands in Sephora. And so Kat Von D is no longer the face or has anything to do with Kat Von D Cosmetics, and they've changed the name from Kat Von D to KVD, I think is what it is. And yeah, so she said she did it to step down because she's got other things on her plate. You know, she's a parent, she's got shoes, she's working on some other things. I don't know if that's true. Allegedly, I can't say anything, but I think that people were against her and her anti-vax enough that they forced her to sell out of her company. But, you know, I don't know anything. I just sit here in my living room and tell my own thoughts and conspiracies. So I don't know if that's true at all. But regardless, that retails for $19. And as an eyeshadow, I think it's pretty good. Would I pay $19 for a single eyeshadow? No. But getting it in a box, I was okay with it. The next thing I got was this Bliss. Let me see. This is the front of it where it says Bliss. But this is a pore mask, okay? And it comes out, it's like in a little can, but you, see, I probably just broke it. But I didn't mean to. But you like push it down and it comes out like all squirty. I don't know. It's really weird packaging for a mask, but also very hygienic for a mask because you're not digging your hand in a jar. So I tried this once. It is like a clay-based mask and it's supposed to pull things to the surface, and it did make me break out. So I don't know that I love it and that I'd use it all the time, but I will continue to try it and see if it pulled stuff out or if my skin was just getting ready to break out and this made it happen. But that retails for $18, that mask. And then the last thing I got in my box was the set from Billion Dollar Brows, and it's called the Best Brow Kit Ever. And it comes with several different things. I will show you. The kit retails for $42. Inside, you get the Billion Dollar Brow pencil, and this is in the shade, I think it's brunette, I think. It just says universal brow pencil, so I guess it's a universal shade. I would compare this brow pencil and the formula to the e.l.f. brow pencil, which is $2. So I don't think it's worth the money as far as what they say it retails for. It's good, but it's not great. It's very creamy, like the e.l.f. one, but it has decent pigment. It is smaller than the e.l.f. one, which is nice, but I don't think it's anything special, you know, especially when you can get the e.l.f. one for $2. Just my thoughts. It also comes with a brow gel that is clear and with a dual-ended pencil, which has a cream highlight on one side, so you could use that to like go around your brows and then carve them out, and then a highlighted side which you can use to like add a shimmer brow bone or whatever, and then a little brush to help you spread that product out, just a flat top definer brush. So overall, it's a good kit and it's good to get in a box. Would I go out and purchase it? No. Do I think Billion Dollar Brows is like the best brow products out there? No. Y'all know I like my drugstore e.l.f. pencil and my L'Oreal pencil. But overall, my Luxe box was worth, or not Luxe, this is premium. My premium box was worth $212, and all the products in there I've used at least once, or I will continue to use. So to me, this box is $35 and it was way more worth it. Like the $10 price difference, the value of this box and the products inside of it were much more me than the BOXYCHARM original box. I will say I fill out all the surveys. I pick the products that they let me pick. I also review everything. So that's supposed to help them curate your box a little bit better for you. And I don't know if it's helping. I think that's like a big thing is I don't know if it helps or not. But I will say I got variation 31 in the premium box and variation 21 in the regular box, if that helps you at all. So, I like my little pillow. Isn't that cute? My aunt made that for me. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you don't mind that it's in a different setup, filmed on my phone. I was just feeling really chill. I'm literally about to get ready to cook dinner. Another HelloFresh meal. Might film that too because the last one was so entertaining for me to watch. And let me just say I'm so excited to order from HelloFresh again. But I will say that I definitely have to order every other week or every 3 weeks because it was too much. Like I ate on that one meal that I made in that previous video forever. Like it took me, I ate on it for 6 or 7. It might have even been more than that. It's like a long time. So I guess that's good for me. And I like that I'm like actually cooking real food that's like good and like what I'd order at a restaurant, and I'm making it here, so I feel like it's a little cheaper. Maybe, I don't know. But that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Before you leave, be sure to check out the other videos that are over here to whatever side. Be sure to be subscribed. Like this video if you want to see more BOXYCHARM videos. If, I don't know, just tell me what's going on with your life. I should probably do like, I'm crisscrossing because I'm done now. I should probably do like an update. A lot has happened. I planned on doing, 12 videos for 12 days of Christmas. And y'all, when I tell you that life hit me and life hit me hard. If you don't know, if you don't follow me on any other social media, I had a car accident. I was hit on the interstate. I was stopped in traffic and a car rammed into me from behind going 70 plus, and it totaled my car. So I am currently in a rental car right now and trying to decide what car I'm going to get and purchase. And, I didn't have a car payment and I'm going to have a car payment. Like, I'm dealing with insurance and everything like that. And so it's just adulting and it's hard. Like, I didn't sign up for this, so let me go back and be a kid again. But anyway, like I said, thank y'all for being here. I appreciate it. And I guess I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.